Today we're going to be making a video of the belts. We got a navy blue with light blue, and this army-ish colorish. So we're going to put on my handcuff pouch, and with my keys. Yeah, with my keys. Right here, the keys. So let's get started. I'll put on the army color first one on. As for my assistant, can you hold it? Yes. So see, I'm gonna put it on. I put it through here, and yeah. It's kind of hard to put it in through. Whoops, I tangled it. No. See? I have it carrying it around with my light too. See? So that's it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. Bye.